I wanted to go over this before I forget. I just kind of did my King's Thought of the Year. One thing I left out, which is really important, men and women. This applies to everybody, or a lot of people that are, maybe 30 and older, or whatever. Relationships, okay? The reason why most relationships today do not work is because you have microwave love. Microwave love, okay? You have people that do things way too fucking fast. They're so quick to jump into a situation because they're fucking, and they don't understand the difference between are we fucking or do we actually have love, okay? So put that on the back burner, all right? So take that thought, put it over here, all right? Sidebar, all right? The situation is this. You have people that have already made families, okay? There's no such thing as the nuclear family anymore, where a man meets a woman, they get married, and they have kids. It never typically works. I'm going to say probably the 75% of the situation, 75% of that does not work out in that sequence. Doesn't, okay? So we have an imperfect society where you have people that have already made families that have to cohabitate. And typically whenever you have a situation like that, you have already made families where you have a mother and a father and children, okay? Typically what ends up happening is the new person that's involved, whether it's the new boyfriend or the new girlfriend, they are not treated as a priority. Where are you on that priority list? Okay? If you're number 3 on that list, it'll never work. Why? Because number 2 is still there. The ex-husband, the ex-wife, the baby mama, the baby father. If that person is still around and dictates the livelihood of number 1, you got a problem. You got an imbalance, and you got to make a decision. Okay? So, for example, I have nothing, well, honestly, I kind of do, the more I think about it. Because I'm selfish and I've earned the right to be selfish. I have a problem personally with already made families. I won't get involved with somebody, not in a serious relationship. Probably won't. Why? Because I'm fucking selfish, and I've earned that right. So, you don't have to agree with me on that. However, the problem is, in these situations is you have somebody who has kids with so-and-so, and things didn't work out. And if things have not worked out amicably, that's important. If they have amicably separated, where they show each other respect and they give each other the respect of the space that they deserve to raise their kids, so then whenever you, the boyfriend or the girlfriend or whatever, get involved, you have a actual fair chance to actually have a life with this person. Typically, though, what goes on is you don't. Typically, you have interference with this motherfucker who's still around. Either A, whoever you're involved with is not being honest with you and they're still fucking them, and they still kind of have them around because it's just kind of something, some people just don't like to throw out the trash, they don't, so you never really had a fair shot in the situation, and you're number 3 on the totem pole, okay? That makes you number 3. You have the child, which always should be number 1, and then you have whoever the ex is, and then you. If you fall into that category, you are doomed. You are fucking doomed. I will say it again. You are doomed. Walk away. Because you will never get the respect that you deserve. You will never even get the fair chance that you deserve. And this is why I will not get involved with somebody who has an already made family. It doesn't make it a bad thing. It's just my choice. So typically, especially in America, you have people that, had kids early, this, that, and the other. And as long as you have your shit straight and they put you in that priority list where you belong, then you're all right. But typically, a lot of friends that I have are going through this and they're just beating their head against a fucking tree right here, trying to figure out where is it going wrong. That is the formula. That is where it is going wrong. Okay? If you have to basically tell this person to make a choice, either you're going to still deal with the ex or you're going to deal with me, they're probably going to choose the ex. Because for whatever reason, they don't have the balls to actually, get up and move around, or they're still taking money from them, or they don't have that shit figured out, you know, or they don't want to take them to court or whatever, or they're just too much of a pussy to actually make decisions on their own. I don't know. I don't fucking care. But that is the dynamic of the situation. If you fall into that category, learn your worth and walk away. I had to say that before I forget. I know many people that are physically beating their heads against a tree trying to figure out why their shit is failing. That is why. That is the blueprint. Y'all be cool.